Hello everyone, my name is Aarti Besoya, the student teacher of Army Institute of Education, Greater Noida. The topic which we are going to discuss today comes under course code B.Ed 218, course title Creating an Inclusive School. Today's topic is Snellen chart. Now, Snellen chart. The familiar eye chart used to measure how well you see at various distance. Snellen chart is imprinted with block letters that line by line decrease in size corresponding to the distance at which that line of letters is normally visible. The letters of Snellen chart are not surprisingly called Snellen test type. Each block letter is quite scientific in design so that at the appropriate distance the letter subtends as a visual angle of 5 degrees and each component part subtends an angle of 1 minute. Second, the chart and the letters are named for the 19th century Dutch ophthalmologist Herman Snellen, 1834 to 1908, who came up with them as a test of visual acuity. Visual acuity refers to the clarity or clearness of the vision as a measure of how well a person sees. The word acuity comes from the Latin acuitas, is equal to sharpness. The principle of Snellen chart: each individual letter subtends an angle of 5 minutes and each component of letter subtends an angle of 1 minute at the nodal point of eye from the distance in meter written as numerical. Second, Snellen chart having different type of number of letters in different rows and the letter of top line should be read clearly at distance 60 meter. Similarly, the letters at subsequent line are read at 36, 24, 18, 12, 9 and 6 MTS respectively. Numerical convention is used for recording visual acuity. In fraction, the numerator is the distance at which the patient sitting from the chart and the denominator at the distance which person with normal vision should be able to read the last line. Procedure of testing: patient seated at distance 6 meter from Snellen chart. Distance of 6 MTS taken as at this distance, it is assumed that the rays are almost parallel and patient exert minimum accommodation. Second, the chart should be properly illuminated at minimum of 20 feet candles. Patient made to wear the trial frame. It is adjusted according to the patient interpupillary distance. Ask the patient to read with the one eye of the top letter while the contralateral eye is closed gently with the patient arm and or with a collar in the trial frame. Second, now patient is asked to read the Snellen chart and depending upon the smallest line which the patient can read from distance of 6 MTS, his vision is recorded as 6 by 6, 6 by 9, 6 by 12, 6 by 18, 6 by 24, 6 by 36, 6 by 60. But the patient not able to see the top line of the distance 6 MTS, he asking to come toward the Snellen chart step by step and vision recorded at 5, 4, 3 to 1 MTS and noted as 560, 460, 360, 260, 160 respectively. Then, if the patient not able to read top line even at distance of 1 MTS, he asked to count the finger of examiner and his vision recorded as CF3FT, CF2FT, CF1FT or CF close to face. Then if patient not able to count examiner finger close to face, then examiner waves or moves his hands and asks patient whether he is able to see hands movement or not. Visual acuity then recorded as count HM+. Then when patient cannot distinguish hand movement, the examiner noted whether patient perceive light or not. If perceive light, it is noted as PL positive, otherwise is PL negative. Also, examiner then throw the light from 4 directions: nasal, superior, temporal and inferior and recorded accordingly. Then if patient perceive light from all direction, it is marked as PR, that is projection of rays, present or marked as absent or defective. The test is repeated for the other eye as similar fashion. English or other language. Land dot ring chart. This is a chart containing a series of broken rings with each cap subtending an angle of 1 minute at nodal point at a given distance. Second, each chart is used for illiterate patients. Simple chart for children. Thank you.